Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Bluish Aqua. At this moment, I am going to cook a dish for my dinner. I am going to cook a veggie protein dish and it is from soybeans. Can you guess what I'm going to cook? Yes, I am going to cook tofu. Please be with me so that you will know how will I cook it. It will be yummy, delicious dish. So, let's start. This is the tofu that I cut into like this. I'm going to put soy sauce. And then I'll put lemon. Oh no, calamansi. I'm always mistaken with the lemon and the calamansi. And then I will put also a liquid seasoning. That is not toyo. That is not soy sauce. That is liquid seasoning. And then have it pan fried. This is very easy, guys. Pan frying again so that our oil will be lesser. I will cook this one in my own simple way. Very hot. We will pan fry that one, guys. And then when a little, when the the tofu will be a little bit crunchy on that side, I'm going to flip it so that it will be cooked properly. Okay, guys, I think it's already flipping time. If you want it to be fried with oil, guys, you are at liberty to use. But I prefer pan frying. Baka makaipon ng maraming oil katawan ko. Marami pa naman akong adipose. So, ganyan lang. Simple. By the way, the tofu, guys, I washed the tofu and then before cooking, I washed the tofu and soak it with hot water. You know, at least. We will wait for some time until the other side will be okay. Then we are going to mix the pan-fried tofu. Then we'll put the liquid seasoning. Then we'll stir in the cornstarch. Then we'll put the sugar. Then a little vinegar. Stir in the peanuts granules. And the green onions. Then we'll put a little salt. Your salt, you control your salt according to your taste. And before I forget, the sesame oil. Ang bango niya, guys. My mouth is salivating. Let me taste. Sarap. And it is done, guys. Very easy. Very affordable. We'll add some more green onions for its topping. Okay. That's it, guys. Very simple yet very nutritious and yummy. If you like the cooking video that I have this very moment, again, please hit like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and press all so that when I will have new video, you will surely be notified. And you can also leave in the comment section how you cook your tofu. I'm very glad to know it. Thank you so much. Stay safe wherever you are. Bye-bye. Smile. God loves you.